Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is very important, especially for laptop users and technicians. I am going to show you a real troubleshooting case from the HP EliteBook 830G5. This is a problem that looks serious, but the solution is simpler than most people expect. When we power on the laptop, it turns on normally, but gets stuck on the HP logo. Windows does not load. The BIOS does not open. When we press Escape, F9 or F10, the screen shows Entering Setup or Entering Boot Menu. But after that, nothing happens. The laptop stays frozen on the HP logo screen. At this point, many people panic. Most users think the motherboard is dead or the BIOS is corrupted. Some people even think the laptop is beyond repair. But friends, this is where most people make a mistake, because not every logo stuck problem is a motherboard issue. That is why proper troubleshooting is very important. First of all, we did some basic checks. We shut down the laptop properly. We removed the charger. We disconnected all USB devices. Then we powered on the laptop again, but the problem was still there. This tells us one thing clearly. The issue is not just software. It is very likely a hardware-related problem. Now, we move to the next step. We powered off the laptop completely and unplugged the charger. Then we carefully opened the back cover. All screws were removed slowly. A plastic opening tool was used to avoid scratches or damage. Quick tip for beginners: always use plastic tools. Metal tools can damage the body or short the motherboard. When a laptop is stuck on the logo, there can be several reasons. For example, a BIOS hang, a loose or faulty RAM, or a storage device problem. So instead of guessing, we check everything step by step. First, we check the RAM. The RAM was removed carefully. The RAM slot was cleaned. Then the RAM was installed again properly. After that, we powered on the laptop, but the result was the same. The laptop was still stuck on the HP logo. So now we move forward. Next, we focused on the storage device. This laptop was using an SSD. Many people do not realize this, but a faulty SSD can stop a laptop from entering the BIOS. Yes, even before Windows loads. That is why logo stuck problems are often caused by SSD failure. To confirm this, we removed the existing SSD. Then we installed a known working SSD into the laptop. Now comes the interesting part. As soon as we powered on the laptop, the HP logo appeared normally. After a few seconds, Windows started loading without any problem. At this moment, the issue was confirmed. The real problem was the SSD. An SSD can fail for many reasons. For example, partition corruption, logical errors, virus infection, or physical damage. Because of these issues, the system cannot complete the boot process and freezes on the logo screen. You can test a faulty SSD using a USB NVMe or SATA adapter. Connect the SSD to another computer or laptop. If the drive is detected, the first step is to back up your data. After that, you can try formatting or repartitioning the drive. Please remember one thing: formatting a drive can permanently delete your data. If your data is important, do not take risks. Always make a backup first, or use professional data recovery tools. So friends, today's case teaches us a very important lesson. Not every HP logo stuck problem means motherboard failure. Sometimes, just one faulty SSD can make a laptop look completely dead. That is why always follow step-by-step troubleshooting before replacing expensive parts. In upcoming videos, I will show you how to test SSD health, how to recover data, and how to choose the right SSD for your laptop. If this video helped you, please like it, share it with others who face similar problems, and do not forget to subscribe for more real, practical, and honest laptop repair videos. Thank you for watching.